Hello my people, we don't come back again with another bogelicious. Una go enjoy this video. I beg una try watch this video from beginning to the end, okay? Una go enjoy that. Welcome back again to our channel, Commenters Analyzer TV. My people, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, please, my amazing people, don't fail to subscribe. Support your girl by subscribing. Your one subscriber will do me a long way. Your one subscriber will help me a long way. Okay, my amazing people. Today, what we want to talk about? We are still on Rita marriage. This song will carry coin. My people now will laugh. It is very funny. Una go like calm also. We won't react to we won't talk about the video Monica Lobolobo make on Rita marriage, and una know na say this channel will go play little of the video for now and we'll talk put, and we go also go through the comment section, my amazing people. The video they very funny. Oh, me wetin make me they talk about because I enjoyed the video yesterday, and we will still talk put for the video, my amazing people. No be small thing. Oh. The video they very funny, and I would like more na still talk when that really people when they do saga, whenever they go Africa, when that na so they really take they hide. I know say most people don't see this video. You know, say for this channel they always go through comment, and before we go through comment, we go like to play little of the video so now we know why people they drop comment when we go they bring comment for now to see. Okay, my amazing people, let's go on the video more see. Let's play little of the audio more. More here waiting play. Okay, my amazing people, I believe so I'm going to enjoy this video. Okay,
why is she hiding like that? Monica, why are you hiding like that? Where are you going to? I can't do marriage. Marriage, I can't do. I can't do marriage. Aren't you supposed to be happy?
my people, we will continue with the video. Now some people where they maybe because they do saga video when she adds this drama when she adds, she said people when they do saga, if they go Nigeria go do marry, now so they think they hide they go. My question now be say, is it really true say people when they do saga, if they go bongo, now so they think they hide? Because maybe they don't saga people, or they don't want make people see their own marriage, or I don't understand, or they don't want make people see them for street. Let's continue with the video, my people. Let's continue with the audio.
I mean, it's a marriage. Invite people, be happy, rejoice. I want to invite people where I do saga. Saga follow everywhere. You know, say, if you don't do saga, you go come get physical and spiritual enemy. I don't feel.
My people, more than one person, we will continue with this audio. She say how she go invite people when be say she don't do saga follow everywhere. I know say 100% she not call anybody name, but we know say she dey talk to Ritoto International. You know say Monica na the queen of saga that year. Monica Lobolobo na the queen of saga that year. That means if Monica go Nigeria, now so she take they hide because she don't saga many people for social media. So now so she take they hide. My people now know say if we they edit, we go put the video by the side more now for they see the video. We are not allowed to play the video on this channel, but we will put more now for they see the video. Okay, my amazing people, is it really true say now so they take they hide for Nigeria? Now my question be that. Now wait till I don't really know. I watched this video this morning. It was very funny. I say no, I must talk about this video because the way she take they hide. My people, let's continue.
Like people, I hide. Come on, cameraman. You know the video everywhere. Should I video your papa, mama? No video my papa and my mama. No video my papa, no video my mama.
My people now, so they really they do and say if they don't saga people, because if they come they do marriage, they know video their papa and mama. I believe the main reason why Rita not gree video her father and her mother, because they don't fair post her dad picture and her mom picture on social media. Na im make her, because yesterday I not see her dad. No be many things wey we come dey hear. Na im make her. She no need to showcase her daddy. Wetin she can't do now, she with her husband go Nigeria. So now she we her social media people wan see, no be her dad now, no be her mom we wan see. More talk am, my people. Abeg, if una watch this video, no forget to drop your comment if e dey right or e dey wrong as Rita not to show her papa and mama, because the papa and mama don dey on social media already, so why they will still dey hide them? I believe the main reason why she not gree show her dad and her mom now, because she no want me another saga come out again. She come back, they come say, see as your papa, you feel the saga me, but my mom and my dad, you take her out of the show or whatever. So my people, more continue with the audio.
We shop my papa mouth. No say the family say my papa. He get as a man. My mama. You want make the video? No video build. What do you talk? So this is how you're going to do your life? Living like this, looking for drama, not having happiness in your life? If I reach abroad, I go happy. If I reach abroad, social media now get power.
This Monica na case. Okay, say the main reason why Rita now the point now they try to bring come out now waiting she they try to prove to us. She not call anybody name, but we all know who Monica Lobolobo they talk to. Say the if she show her papa and mama, say people go screenshot the papa and mama. Already the father and the mother don't do on social media. After all, not be Monica still poster, been our other ogbeide for social media na him poster. So if Rita not show it papa and mama, no be say because he no want make them see papa or make them know. Una don't already know them before. Una don't bring her the pictures. So she get the reason why she not agree want make them show them. So my people, more continue with this drama. Oh.
I don't pull like for shit. They see me. No video our palo, I beg. No video palo. Just follow me. You go so finish. I know the tale. What about your husband's family? Hey, this my husband's family. You know, say na kokobiri I marry. They not combo. Now you want better care for them. It's too far. Now let my husband for now come marry. Now me come marry. What about the food? Who cooked the food? The food? Who cooked the food? The food. We buy them. Now mama put we forgot that. Now mama put now we bet. Monica.
My people, this Monica drama, I get as it be. They're very funny. I like the drama, but the word I don't know who she did it. But not be say I don't know. We all know who she did talk to for the video. When she won't talk her yesterday, she said she not just they talk to only Rita. She they talk to all everybody when they do saga. She said she not just this drama not just made for only Rita. Now everybody when they do drama, they do saga on social media. Now she they talk to. So my people, more continue, more enter like that. More not worry if I they edit the video or put the drama by the side so that you go they see how she take they hide. That means saying anybody when they do saga, if they go bongo, now so they will take the hide. Not be small, my amazing people.
This is not life. Look at the way you are doing this. Drama all over. This is not life. You're supposed to have rejoicefulness, happiness. You cannot do this. If I read social media, now be madam. If I read social media, the way I go shine. You don't live your life like this. This is not the way it is. For Nigeria, Monica, see social media for your back. Social media?
Character. Character. This one are really character. Monica Lobolobo. Monica Lobolobo. Yeah, let me still talk one. Say Rita no hide. Rita with the ogbeide mama ebo pepper rice yesterday. That will not be hide. Now person when they hide, you know go mama ebo pepper rice. She go still do the video of it, come still snap herself, post and she will still write say she did mama ebo pepper rice. I believe say Rita just wan use am show call of una say as una dey laugh and say na kokobiri she carry. Kokobiri don't do wetin most of our Nigeria guy no go fit do. Most of our Nigeria people, they will just you go just dey born for them. They no go even think of say that they do marriage. But kokobiri now, I believe say pikin never come out from there. Kokobiri don't do respect, as in he pull respect when they pull money. Now that won't be the first thing. He put respect, he go put money for the woman hair, and he also do the marriage. He also do the white wedding. So wetin come different between kokobiri and Nigeria? Nigeria kokobiri, we are all one. We get the same color. Me, I even prefer that kokobiri as in black like me than all this àwọn kúpákúpá. Abeg Yoruba people wanna correct me. I prefer those people than them. Okay, because we are all black, we get the same color. If they hurt you, they go still reason now. They'll still reason now twice. Not be just they'll just say no. Everything is no. They go still reason now. So more no they judge anybody say kokobiri or Nigeria or Oyibo. We are all one. We are all one Nigeria, one Africa, one nation. Now so we be. So my amazing people, what do you might think about this video? So let's go on the comment section. Comment section, my people. The first comment of today says, commenter say, this one enter well. I wish all the presenter will learn and be nice with people. If you must correct people, it must not always be with hard words or fighting. May God help her out. And the next commenter say, why you dey run? Shey you see how the thing goes. Rita dey run, I no understand though. And the other one say, he said this iyeki no good at all. Come put emoji of laugh. He say Monica don let me peace for body this afternoon. Oh my God. Okay, you peace for body. And the other one say, Monica, you know well. Now what for you? While everywhere, this life no balance again. Monica enter house. She can't put emoji of laugh. So the next commenter can say, this part of I go shine for social media get me laughing. Iyeki may continue to bless you. This one say, Monica, Monica, how many times I call you? I use God beg you, not let me laugh for again. So my people, now know say this our channel, we dey always show now the comments. Wetin we go do as we dey edit, we go paste all the comments. When people comment put for the video, we'll paste and so na go see my amazing people. guys, thank you everyone for watching. Thank you everyone for your amazing support on this channel. Please, my amazing people, continue to support me by subscribing and also share our video. Please, my amazing people, give this video thumbs up now. Like the video, my amazing people. Help me like the video. God bless you. You guys are so amazing. See you on my next video. Bye.